We'll just give everyone a few moments to join, and yeah, once everyone's joined, we'll start the presentation. Give us 2 or 3 minutes. Thank you.
Good. Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. It's quite a busy time. There's the World Cup football for all you football supporters, or as they say, soccer in America. I call it football. Yeah, so Bafana Bafana, let's hope they can do it. And next weekend's the Springboks. So lots of sports coming up. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. My name's Emmanuel. I'm the ISP sales manager at TP-Link South Africa. Next to me is my right-hand man, our senior technical engineer, Ron, who focuses on the Aginet and TAUC platforms at TP-Link South Africa.
Good day, everyone.
Today, I'd like to introduce the TP-Link Aginet Unified Cloud Platform, or in short, TAUC, and explain why it represents a significant opportunity for ISPs in South Africa. As subscriber expectations continue to grow, ISPs need smarter tools to manage, monitor, and support their networks efficiently while maintaining a high-quality customer experience. TAUC has been designed specifically to address these challenges. What is TAUC? TAUC is TP-Link's cloud-based management platform built for ISPs. It provides centralized visibility, monitoring, analytics, troubleshooting, and management of customer premise equipment from a single platform. Instead of managing thousands of devices individually, TAUC enables service providers to monitor and control their entire subscriber base through one unified cloud dashboard. What we'll cover today, the differences between TAUC Basic or /Standard and the full managed TAUC platform. The business and operational benefits for ISPs, which is key. There obviously has to be a benefit. It's not just a platform. We've got to see how it's going to fit into your business model. How proactive network management improves customer experience. The launch opportunities available to South African service providers, which you'll see later in the webinar. Why TAUC? We believe there are 5 key reasons why ISPs should adopt TAUC. 1, reduce operational and support costs through centralized management. Number 2, improve service quality and customer satisfaction. Number 3, increase network visibility and operational control. Number 4, simplify device management and troubleshooting. And number 5, create a scalable platform that grows with the ISP business. Because at the end of the day, the idea is to grow your business, your subscriber base. The more customers you have, the more revenue you've got. And that comes with problems. So you have to have the right tools to manage that. The key platform capabilities. TAUC delivers a complete cloud management solution that includes centralized cloud management, real-time monitoring and diagnostics, remote troubleshooting and support, zero-touch provisioning, performance analytics and reporting, secure and scalable cloud architecture. These capabilities help reduce truck rolls, improve first call resolution rates, and enhance overall operational efficiency. The future, TAUC ACS. Looking ahead, TAUC ACS represents the next evolution of this platform. It brings together TR069 device management, monitoring and analytics, automation and control into a fully integrated cloud ecosystem that will continue to enhance operational efficiency and simplify ISP network management. In summary, TAUC provides one platform, one dashboard, one cloud experience, while delivering lower operational complexity, higher efficiency, and greater scalability. The goal is simple, guys. Give ISPs complete visibility and control of their subscriber networks while reducing costs and improving customer experience. Before we get into the launch, as you can see, the launch, South African TP-Link launch, I'd like to spend a few minutes revisiting TAUC and where it fits in with the Aginet ecosystem. For those who joined our previous webinars, you'll know that we've already introduced the TR369 framework and demonstrated the TAUC platform in action. Today is really about bringing those pieces together and showing how ISPs can start benefiting from them immediately. TAUC, or the TP-Link Aginet Unified Cloud Platform, gives service providers, ISPs, centralized visibility and management of subscriber devices from a single cloud dashboard. It enables remote diagnostics, monitoring, provisioning, analytics, and ongoing network management without the need for multiple disconnected systems. The real value of TAUC is not just device management. It's about giving ISPs greater operational visibility, reducing support efforts, improving customer experience, and creating a platform that can scale as their subscriber base grows. As we move through today's session, guys, we'll look at the operational benefits, future TAUC ACS roadmap, and how South African ISPs can start their journey today through our EX520 launch offer. TAUC is not just a cloud management platform. It's a business enablement tool that helps ISPs reduce costs, improve customer experience, and scale their operations more efficiently. Today, many ISPs/service providers operate separate systems for ACS device management, and cloud-based monitoring and analytics. This often results in duplicated workflows, increased operational complexity, and higher support overheads. TAUC ACS is TP-Link's next-generation platform designed to bring everything together in a single unified cloud experience. Today, many ISPs still rely on the TR3, TR069 ACS platforms to manage customer devices. While these systems provide valuable functionality, they also require infrastructure maintenance, backups, security management, upgrades, and ongoing operational support. For many ISPs, running an ACS platform becomes an additional operational burden that adds cost and complexity to the business. This is where TAUC ACS comes in. TAUC ACS is TP-Link's cloud-based, cloud-hosted ACS platform designed to improve the benefits of TR069 device management without the need to deploy and maintain your own ACS environment. I'm sure you can relate to that as an ISP. Instead of building and managing infrastructure internally, ISPs now can leverage a fully managed cloud platform for device provisioning, firmware management, configuration updates, diagnostics, and remote support. The result is lower infrastructure costs, reduced operational overheads, faster deployment, and simplified management. Looking ahead, TAUC ACS will continue to evolve alongside the wider TAUC ecosystem, providing service providers with a scalable cloud platform that simplifies TR069 management, while allowing internal teams to focus on delivering better service to subscribers rather than maintaining back-end systems. The key takeaway is simple from this. TAUC ACS allows ISPs to gain the benefits of ACS without the complexity of running ACS themselves. The key takeaway from this slide is the TAUC AC represents the next evolution of ISP cloud management. By combining ACS functionality, analytics, monitoring, automation, and operational workflows into a single platform, TAUC ACS will deliver the following: one platform, one dashboard, one cloud experience, lower complexity, higher efficiency, greater scalability for service providers of all sizes. So irrespective of the size of your subscriber base.
Yeah, so now that Emmanuel's covered the platform itself, let's talk about why this actually matters to an ISP. So over the last two webinars, we've shown the technology and the live platforms and software tools. This side focuses on operational outcome. TAUC provides much greater visibility into the customer environment. First-line agents can see device status, Wi-Fi health, and connectivity information immediately, which means faster troubleshooting and higher first call resolution. For NOC teams, the benefit is scale. Instead of managing devices one at a time, firmware updates, configuration changes, and diagnostics, all these can be performed from a central platform. So a major shift TAUC enables is moving from reactive support to proactive support. Rather than waiting for the customer to call, operators can identify trends, alarms, performance issues before they become service impacting incidents. The platform also creates commercial opportunities, better visibility into subscriber usage, and this makes it easier to identify customers who may benefit from upgraded packages like managed Wi-Fi services or future-proof value-added services. Ultimately, all of this feeds into the same objective. You lower the operational costs and you get happier subscribers. Right, so just moving on to the next slide.
One area that often gets overlooked, guys, is what sits beyond basic device management. We have to look at TAUC isn't just about managing routers, because that's an old way of doing business, I think. It provides a framework for additional services that can generate value for both the ISP and the subscriber. Examples include automated speed testing, location-based troubleshooting through GeoMap, API integrations into existing OSS and BSS systems, and support for containerized applications. The container capability is particularly interesting because it opens the door for future services, such as security applications, smart home integrations, and other managed services delivered directly through the CPE. For many operators, these services become a differentiator. They help move the conversations away from simply selling bandwidth and towards selling a more complete customer experience. While the TAUC basic/standard platform provides the essential tools for device management and monitoring, TAUC value-added services takes the platform to the next level by introducing advanced automation analytics, integrations, and monetizing opportunities. Help ISPs move beyond connectivity and deliver smarter, more valuable customer experience.
Okay, so this slide brings together the different service tiers and capabilities available within TAUC. At the top, you'll see business outcomes we're targeting: fewer support calls, fewer truck rolls, higher first call resolution, and ultimately improved customer satisfaction. The managed Wi-Fi services provide deeper visibility into customer environments, allowing support teams to understand coverage issues, backhaul performance, and clients' experience at the same time. One of the most powerful capabilities is the KPI and historical analytics engine. Instead of looking at a single point in time, engineers can see trends developing over days or weeks, making troubleshooting far more effective. The result is a platform that not only manages devices, but provides actionable operational intelligence. The key message here is that TAUC is more than just a device management platform. It's all designed to reduce operational costs, improve customer experience, increase efficiency, and create additional revenue opportunities for ISPs. So it combines cloud-based ACS management, advanced Wi-Fi analytics, automated troubleshooting, OSS, BSS integration, and of course the value-added services. And on this slide here, you can see how TAUC supports the entire subscriber lifecycle. From the moment the customer places an order through to ongoing service delivery and support. If you've attended our previous webinars, this is where everything really comes together. In webinar 1, we've introduced the complete Aginet ecosystem and discussed the benefits of next generation device management. Webinar 2, we demonstrated these platforms and software tools. And today we're showcasing how those capabilities fit into real-world ISP deployment. The journey starts before the device even reaches the customer. Subscriber information can be imported into TAUC, service profiles can be assigned automatically, and devices can be pre-configured while still in the warehouse. So this reduces manual work and ensures a consistent deployment experience. Once the customer connects the device, authentication, provisioning, and service activation can all happen automatically. TAUC applies the required configuration and brings the subscriber online with minimal intervention from support or technical teams. From that point forward, TAUC continues to manage the service through monitoring, diagnostics, firmware management, analytics, and ongoing operational support. This creates a streamlined process from onboarding to long-term service assurance. The key takeaway is that TAUC is not just a management platform. It supports the entire subscriber journey, helping ISPs reduce operational effort, accelerate deployments, and deliver a better customer experience from day one. Okay, so let's have a deeper look into the key components that make up the TAUC management platform and how they work together to simplify ISP operations. At the core of the platform is lifecycle management. giving operators visibility and control from initial deployment through to ongoing service management. This includes provisioning, firmware management, network topology visibility, device inventory, and automated task management. The second pillar focuses on managing Wi-Fi services and advanced diagnostics. This is where support teams gain visibility into network health, subscriber experience, and Wi-Fi performance. Instead of waiting for support tickets, engineers can proactively identify issues and resolve them before they impact the customer. And then on the third pillar is value-added services and integrations. Through APIs, webhooks, reporting tools, and containerized applications, TAUC can integrate into existing OSS and BSS environments while creating opportunities for additional managed services in future. So together, these capabilities give ISPs a single platform for operations, visibility, automation, and service delivery. So rather than managing multiple systems, teams can work from a centralized cloud platform and improves efficiency. So to summarize, TAUC combines lifecycle management, advanced diagnostics, and future services and opportunities into one scalable cloud platform.
Thanks for that, Ron. Now that we've looked at the operational capabilities of TAUC, let's focus on the business value of TAUC ACS. As you can see there, why this matters, guys. For many ISPs, running an ACS platform means maintaining servers, managing backups, performing upgrades, monitoring security, and allocating technical resources to keep the platform operational. While ACS is a critical tool, managing the infrastructure behind it can be costly and time-consuming. TAUC ACS removes that burden by providing a cloud-hosted ACS platform for TR069 device management. Instead of deploying and maintaining your own ACS environment, ISPs can leverage a fully managed solution for provisioning, configuration management, firmware updates, diagnostics, and remote support. This reduces infrastructure requirements, lowers operational costs, and accelerates deployment. It allows technical teams to spend less time managing back-end systems and more time focusing on customer experience and network performance. As subscriber numbers grow, TAUC ACS scales with the business without requiring additional infrastructure investment, creating a predictable and cost-effective approach to device management. The key takeaway is simple. TAUC ACS delivers the benefits of ACS without the complexity of running an ACS yourself.
Okay, so this slide demonstrates one of the most powerful capabilities of the TAUC platform: real-time visibility into the subscriber networks and devices. So traditionally, support teams only become aware of issues when customers report them. With TAUC, operators gain a live view of network health, device status, mesh topology, performance metrics, and alarm events across the entire subscriber base. This allows teams to identify and investigate issues much faster than traditional support models. The platform also provides valuable insight into mesh performance and subscriber experience. Engineers can quickly identify weak coverage areas, poor backhaul links, overloaded devices, or network anomalies without needing to dispatch technicians or rely on customer feedback alone. By combining real-time monitoring, proactive alerts, and centralized visibility, TAUC helps ISPs move from reactive troubleshooting to proactive network management. This improves operational efficiency, reduces support costs, and ultimately delivers a better subscriber experience. The key takeaway is that TAUC gives service providers the visibility to need to identify issues faster, resolve them more efficiently, and maintain a higher quality of service across the network.
So I think the exciting part of the webinar This slide highlights our South African launch offer for the EX520 and demonstrates how TP-Link is helping ISPs accelerate cloud adoption through the TAUC platform. Every qualifying EX520 purchase includes 2 years of TAUC standard or the basic. Is it standard or?
Yeah, so the basic service, or the basic package is the standard
Yes,
service. And obviously we got the managed service.
Paid. But with the EX520 purchase, guys, 2 years of TAUC standard at no additional cost. This allows ISPs to immediately benefit from cloud-based device management, monitoring, and operational visibility. This service gives ISPs immediate access to cloud-based device visibility, network monitoring, performance analytics, inventory management, simplified operational oversight, without the need for additional software licensing costs. This promotion allows ISPs to evaluate and deploy TAUC in a live environment while reducing operational costs and increasing visibility across the subscriber base. Why the EX520? So we decided as a team and as a vendor, EX520, our go-to Wi-Fi 6 router. It's an AX3000. It's a dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router. More importantly, the EX520 is fully integrated into TAUC. Why is that? So if you look at the Aginet product stack, right, we've got Wi-Fi 5 devices, Wi-Fi 6 routers, Wi-Fi 5 mesh, Wi-Fi 6 mesh, Wi-Fi 7, and Wi-Fi. So our Wi-Fi 5 devices do not have TAUC, but it's got TR06 now. So what we did was we decided the EX520 is going to be our flagship router on the TAUC launch. So we're very excited about that. The nice thing about this, guys, install the devices, get the TAUC cloud, manage smarter, gain centralized visibility. So what are we saying to ISPs? We encourage all ISPs to sign up with their preferred TP-Link distributor, begin experiencing the benefits of the TAUC platform. The Aginet and AC TAUC portals are available to support onboarding, training, and deployment. I have attached the links on the webinar slide. However, if you need more information, we will be sending a follow-up email with my details and Rowan's details. So we're very excited about this, guys. This is going to give ISPs an opportunity to modernize operations while improving customer experience and reducing support costs. Now, moving on to a quick minute video to show TAUC and deployment, and then we'll have a Q&A session, guys. So Q&A, are there any questions? We'll just give it a minute. So guys, while you're thinking about sending us some questions, I mentioned on our Aginet product stack, we have our Aginet Wi-Fi 5, 6, and 7 routers. We've got Wi-Fi 5, 6, and 7 mesh. The Wi-Fi 5 devices, the EX141, for example, the Wi-Fi 6 router doesn't have TAUC. It's got TR06 now. The EX511, it's got TAUC. The EX521, it's got TAUC. The EX520, which is our flagship Wi-Fi 6 router, is TAUC. Wi-Fi 7 all has TAUC. Our Aginet mesh units, except the HX141, they have TAUC, but it's got TO069. What we are looking to do, we'll have another webinar in July, guys. I know we've had 3 in quick succession, but we just wanted to launch the TAUC ACS platform with the EX520. We're also doing 3-month trials on TAUC. So if you don't purchase the TAUC, I mean, an EX520, but in order for you to get the full experience of the TAUC, you would have to purchase an EX520. However, we can look at potentially arranging some demo units. We don't mind doing that. We're happy to do it. And then from TP-Link's side, we're going to be launching TAUC ACS on TR069 devices. Which means, for example, if you've purchased EC220G5s, which is our flagship Wi-Fi 5 router, there will be TAUC ACS as well. We'll be launching a price on that probably in the next couple of weeks. There are some price changes. We'll send it to our relevant distribution partners. That will be then sent to the customers for quotes on the EX520s and our relevant Aginet products. And then we can share the TAUC value-added platform pricing with our ISP customers. That is TP-Link's cloud platform. So you'll purchase that if you want the paid version directly from TP-Link South Africa. Any questions?
Yeah, so I see Jason has asked a question here. I think Emmanuel kind of touched on that without knowing that was a question. So is there any plans to roll out TAUC compatibility for existing devices? So I'm sure by existing devices, you mean devices already deployed in the field. Yes, definitely. I mean, if they have not been added to TAUC before, you could import them to your network. And I mean, yeah, this question could actually ask 2 things. Or existing devices, meaning devices that's been sold for a few years that might not have the TR369 platform capabilities. And yes, therefore, exactly for those devices, we are launching the TR069 ACS TAUC and integrating that with the full TR369 platform. Hope that answers your question, Jason. Yeah, you're welcome to pop a follow-up or just give us a thumbs up while we wait for other questions.
So while we're waiting for more questions, we will, like I said, we'll have our next webinar. I think the next webinar will be based around Macusis. The Macusis TR069, there's some nice new models in the Macusis range, like an ONU single port Wi-Fi 5 XGS PON and a Wi-Fi 6. So that's exciting. And obviously the Macusis TR069 compatible devices, the price points of the Macusis devices is amazing. It's competitive. And it's a strong product made by TP-Link. So I think that will be our next webinar. But we'll decide as a team. What we'll also do is probably do this one again in Q3. We think it's quite important to get this message out there regarding the launch through ISPs, FNOs, and WISPs. So we'll redo some of the webinars that we've done previously. I think this one covers pretty much what we're trying to achieve as a vendor in the market for ISPs. Grow those partnerships, those relationships. We can offer TAUC training. We can do workshops. We're open to doing open days, events. We're happy to do that. So it's not just about a webinar. We want to be involved. We want to meet with you guys. So there's a lot of things happening on our end. So happy to look at doing stuff with you guys. Next question.
Okay, so first of all, we just want to apologize for the no sound on video. This is oh wow, too many mics in the kitchen. Someone else's mic is on.
My mic's not on. No, it's coming from there.
Okay. Yeah, we'll just speak a bit softer, I think. So two things we want to answer here. So first of all, sorry about the audio on the video earlier. And then the other question was, is there a live demo site to play around with to experience the ecosystem? So we could assign a trial license to anyone requesting it. This is exactly what these two links are for. So you're welcome to apply and sign up. Just send us an email as well. Tell us what you want to test, and yeah, we'll give you like a 3-month trial. If you don't want to purchase a device to play around with, and then the subscription fee. That's a yearly fee at the moment. As Emmanuel said, this might change, but at the moment it's about 99 cents per device per year. So it's an annual fee, that you pay per device or per network. Network meaning one device communicating back to the TAUC through a public IP, and then a number of mesh devices that sits behind it. So you could have, I wouldn't say an unlimited amount of mesh devices, but as much as your network can handle, and that will all fall under one network. So that is all then part of one network, which is a 99 cents per device or per network cost. And then obviously the managed services, the 7-day and the 14-day analytics, and some value-added services. They go from about $2 to $5 depending on the package. And then, of course, there's a license fee for the API integration, which I am speaking under correction, but I think that's a once-off fee. That's not a yearly fee that you pay.
But we're waiting for our new pricing. As soon as it's available, we will share that. It should be ready in about a week or two. If it's sooner, we'll definitely share it with everybody. There will be a follow-up email probably sent tomorrow to all the attendees on the webinar. We'll also send you the link for the video, and then our contact details will be there, and we're happy to assist with the trial.
And then the last question, 99 US cents. Yes, sorry for not, that's something that we need to always say. It's 99 US dollar cents, and the $3, and between the $3 and the $5, of course. And then, yeah, just a note, we have an indication on what the TR069 or the ACS TAUC would cost, and that would be about 50 US dollar cents per device per year. But that is in finalization state. We'll update whoever is interested once we have more information. You're welcome to pop us an email, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Yeah, I think, guys, we wanted to keep this short and sweet. Yeah. We know everyone's busy. So yeah, if there's no more questions, happy to take some more emails. And yes, hope to see all of you again on the next one.
Okay, everyone, thank you. As we come to the end of today's session, I'd like to sincerely thank everyone for taking the time to join us and learn more about the TP-Link TAUC platform. For us at TP-Link South Africa, this is more than just a launch. It represents a significant milestone in our commitment to the ISPs and our vision of helping ISPs build smarter, more efficient and more scalable networks. Thank you, everybody. We appreciate your time. We'll definitely send you the video. If there's anything else that you need, you'll have our contact details. If you don't have it, you will get it. If you're based in a region, we're happy to do a Teams meeting. if you're based in Gauteng and we've never met you, you're happy to come visit us at our office, or we'll come visit you. We like to meet people face. Let's hope they can win and go to the box.
La Duma.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, everyone.
Have a good day.
Jason, we'll send you the slideshow for 99 US cents.
Yes.
All right, guys.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.